Hello. Let's read the question. Calcium lactate is a salt of weak organic acid and a strong base represented as. So they are giving calcium lactate. It must be written something like this. Calcium lactate. A saturated solution of calcium lactate 2 contains zero point 0.6 moles in a 2-liter solution. So they are saying 0.6 moles in a 2-liter solution. That means molarity concentration is 0.3 molar. pH of solution is given. The pH of this solution is given as 5.60 and the 90% dissociation of salts takes place. 90% dissociation. Then what is the pK of lactic acid? They are asking the pK of lactic acid. So let us write step by step. So if we have calcium lactate, it dissociate to give Ca2 plus twice of LaC minus. So initially this concentration is 0.3 and out of that 90% is dissociated. That means dissociate is going to be 0.3 into 90% is 0.9. So it comes to be 0.27 mole dissociated. This concentration dissociated, that means this form will be 0.54. So this is a conjugate base of lactic acid, conjugate base. And for this solution, we'll have the pH equation for a salt of, this is a salt of strong base and weak acid. So pH is represented by 7 plus half of pKa plus log C, where C is the concentration of conjugate base over here, not the salt. Therefore pH, see, this is pOH is given 5.60. so from here we can calculate a pH. pH is going to be 14 minus 5.60. So it is 8.40. So pH is known. So let us calculate. This is 8.40. 7 plus half of pKa plus log of this concentration is 0.54. So solving this, so let us need to solve this one. So this is going to be 7 minus, so it remains 1.40 into 2 is equal to pKa plus log of 0.54, and this further is going to be 2.8 is equal to pKa plus log of 0.54. Let us see what is asked. Okay, pKa, you need to calculate a pKa. So pKa is going to be 2.8 minus log of 0.54. So pKa is 2.8 minus log of 0.54, which is option D. So need to remember one thing during this, in this equation. So when we are talking about the equation, particularly this equation, this C is not the concentration of salt. This is discussed in the previous videos also. It is a concentration of conjugate base, as I said here.